Apartment Investment Management, AIV, is up about 7%. They're going to be selling some buildings down there in one of the hottest real estate markets in the United States. Miami, in particular, Brickell area of Miami, and they're going to sell $520 million worth of properties. That's a pretty big trade, wouldn't you say, Justin?
Yeah, absolutely. And this is another example of the smart money getting in early, but not in the form of options. On September 24th, people started noting that this stock was popping up on scans for unusual stock volume, about 6 times higher than usual, over 570% higher. On November 11th, same thing. And that just kept happening. And when you see that in a stock that you're not really sure has any catalysts and you're not really sure why they're buying it, it's usually a sign that you should start to look really, really closely because maybe somebody knows something and they're accumulating shares of it. So it's not surprising to see it up today.
A pretty interesting trade per se, but it is just that, a trade, because now they're going to have, obviously, they can deploy that capital into new investments. They may have already sort of lined some of those up, I guess, Justin. But selling this will be pretty interesting because if the buyer of these apartments decides they can use seller financing, I don't think they will because the seller financing is 12%. But if they can't line up financing, the buyer of this, who would be coming to Apartment Investment Management to say, okay, I'll take that 12% for 18 months. That's pretty rich. I think they'd struggle to make that a profitable investment for those 18 months. So don't look for that to happen.